In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube API key. This process is quick and easy, so in just 5 minutes, you'll be able to generate your very own API key and start integrating YouTube into your projects. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to console.cloud.google.com. This is where we'll create the API key through Google Cloud's platform. Once you're on the page, look for the Open Project button and click on it. Now, we need to create a new project, so hit the New Project option. This will allow you to manage your API in an organized way. Next, you have to name your new project. Choose a name that's relevant to what you're working on, as this will be helpful for keeping things sorted in the future. Once you've named your project, click on the Create button to set it up. After a short moment, you'll receive a notification about your newly created project. Click the notification bell and then select Select Project from the drop-down menu. Now, make sure you're in the correct project. You can verify this by looking at the top menu bar, where the project name is displayed. This ensures you're working within the right context, which is crucial for managing APIs effectively. Next, click on the hamburger icon, which you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select APIs and Services. This is where we will activate and manage our APIs. In the APIs and Services dashboard, select Library to browse through Google's available APIs. Scroll until you find the YouTube Data API v3 and click on that. This is the API you'll use for accessing YouTube data programmatically. Once you're on the YouTube Data API page, you'll see the Enable button. Click this to activate the API for your project. With the API enabled, head over to the Credentials section. You can find it on the left-hand menu once you're on the API's main page. Select the Create Credentials option to start crafting your API key. A drop-down will appear, from which you'll choose API Key. Once you click Create, your new API key will be generated. Take a moment to marvel at your handiwork, because this key is what allows your applications to communicate with YouTube servers. Finally, copy the API key and ensure you keep it safe. You'll need this key to embed YouTube's functionalities into your projects seamlessly. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a YouTube API key that you can now use for your YouTube projects. Whether it's for a personal project or a professional one, having this API key allows you to unlock the potential of YouTube's extensive data and features. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.